Hi guys, welcome back. So here we're gonna come with another bleaching video. I didn't know I was gonna bleach her again because I cut it off. So here I'm with my sister now. Okay. Actually 2 days ago I did I did like the bottom part. So you see they're like not toned yet because I didn't tone them, and she already had the top. So I'm gonna do even more so it looks like a balayage. So this is the second time I'm doing this technique, and before I start this video I want to give a disclaimer to y'all. On this channel we keep it cheap, we keep it on a budget, and you can keep it petty on the comments, never messy. We keep it cute or keep it mute. I'm not a professional and I'll never claim to be, so if you're gonna come in the comments saying that a professional should do this, a professional would charge this around hundreds to thousands of dollars, and I don't like that. We're gonna spend around 30 bucks only on doing this. So let's start with the video. So I bought Cream Developer on 30 and 20. Of course the bleach powder. Then I just got like regular hair things like piranhas and brushes, and then kitchen foils like the regular sandwich ones, and of course you're gonna need a treatment afterwards. So actually I'm gonna start the process by splitting my sister's hair in 6 parts. Actually I was gonna do this on 5 parts, but as I told you, I already did the bottom part of her head. So the back of her head, if you see, I split it in 2. So the bottom part I'm not gonna touch it, and I'm gonna work on the other parts, and the top part I'm not gonna do it as well. I'm gonna keep it brown. Okay guys, so most of y'all already know how it is. I personally like to use 1 scoop of bleach powder to 1.5 scoops of cream developer, because I like to keep the consistency of my mixture as thick as possible, because in my opinion it bleach faster, especially if you have virgin hair, and it keeps developing. So that's what I like to do. But in case it gets like too thick, I'm just gonna like squish the bottle and like get some of it. So but I like to keep that ratio of like 1 scoop to 1.5 scoops. Maximum I will do 1 scoop, 2 scoops of cream developer. You gotta make sure to keep moving the mixture, because otherwise it's gonna get thick and the mixture is gonna like go to sleep and it's not gonna work anymore. So actually I'm gonna do both of them, one with 30 cream developer and another one with 20 cream developer, because my sister already has blonde hair. So in case I need to go on a few blonde hairs, I'm gonna put the 20 cream developer mixture on it, because I don't want to kill her hair. So if you only have virgin hair, just use the 30 cream developer, like, you know what I'm saying. Okay guys, so as I said before, I split her hair in 6 parts. I put like the bottom part on bun because I already worked on that part. Then with the comb part, I'm gonna tease it, so I break it up. I don't tease much. And then after that I'm gonna break the hair in 2 parts. So like I go through the hair with the thin part of the comb and I'm gonna break it, following by putting the kitchen foil that I cut in pieces. So then I'm gonna go on it with 30 developer on the virgin hair side and with 20 cream developer on the side that's already lightened. After that, I'm just going to close it and let it process it. I'm gonna repeat the same thing throughout her whole head. So yep. Okay guys, so it's almost time. As you can see, her hair is very light now. Um, but this side is taking a bit longer. Let me show you. But so I'm gonna add a little bit of bleach on those orange places, and then I'm gonna rinse it out in 10 minutes. Okay guys, so this is how I washed her hair and I rinsed it out. This is how it ended up looking like. So this is the tone we reached, and I'm gonna tone it with Wella T18, and I'll show you guys how it ended up looking like. Okay guys, so this is what it ended up. Sorry if the end of this video was a little bit messy. I actually bleached her hair the last day she was staying to visit, so we recorded this video at the airport because on the way there her hair was still wet. I'm very proud of the hair level that I could bleach her to, because like it's very high, and when I tone it with the Wella T18, her hair highlights are extremely ashy. So yeah, I just added a lot of highlights. It looks more like a balayage effect. I didn't do the top part of her head, so that's why it still looks brown on the top, but I'm very proud of it and it looks pretty cool. So my apologies once again. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Comment if you have any suggestions. Don't be messy though, and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.